Okay, 4 A's of a mental health friendly workspace. So ito daw yung 4 na A na kung saan friendly sa mental health yung workspace mo, yung workplace mo. So una yung awareness. So yung awareness, kailangan yung culture mo supportive. Ibig sabihin, ah, supportive sila dun sa ah, ah, ginagawang maganda ng empleyado. Kumbaga pagka may ginagawang maganda, kung kailangan ng moral support, bibigyan encouragement, yon. Nakakabawas ng ano yan, nakakabawas ng nakaka-rejuvenate ng mental health yan kasi napapagod ka mentally. So, nandun yung moral support. And then yung accommodation, pumapasok dyan yung psychological safety. Pwede silang mag-open ng mga hinaing nila. Open sila, yun yung psychological safety. And then yung assisting, kung kinakailangan nilang magkaroon ng mental break during dun sa mga during office hours, o yung bibigyan mo sila ng space, or yung sinasabi nilang paid time off, o yung live with pay. Doon papasok yung assisting and access. So ibig sabihin, yung security nila na sila, kung may mangyari sila, natutulungan sila ng company if ever magkaroon sila ng health concerns. Yun yung 4 A's na mental health friendly yung pinapasukan. Importante yan kasi minsan nababaliwala yung mental health. Okay, so again, another management block. Kung kanina eduk tayo, ngayon naman balik tayo ulit sa management, which is sa lahat naman ng org kailangan itong 4 A's na to. So, yun lang po.